Hi, Steamer Joe again. I had a comment on the video where I tested the steam plant for the Diana about how it didn't look like it would fit, and I didn't have anything in that video to give a good sense of scale. So this is just a quick one to show that in fact there's plenty of room in there. Hopefully there's room forward for a gas tank, maybe water tanks too. I may have 2 water tanks along each gunnel. Transmission isn't in place, nothing's in place, it's just set in the hole. So you can see, in fact, there's plenty of room for the plant. That's approximately where the transmission will go. So, till later, this is Steamer Joe. See ya.